time, and I think I'm gonna fill all of these baskets.
I'm gonna start with you. The garden is bursting. Look at this pink jazz tomato. Oh my God. Wow. Look at these. Oh, the pink jazz are so pretty. Wow. Berkeley tie-dye. German Johnson. Dad's Sunset. Wow, these are beautiful. Pantano Romanesco. And more. Park Swapper. Super Sauce. Sart. Bola. I'm actually going to switch over baskets. Chef's Choice Black. Black Creme. Unknown. Oh, there's a black creme that's hiding. Dark Galaxy. Early Girl. Jersey. Oh, Jersey Double. Orange Peach. Beefsteak. Mushroom Basket. Cherokee Purple. Zapotec. Violet Jasper. Volunteer Cherries. Oh. All right, I need the big mama. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Oh, here's another one. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put the rice in there. Wow. I guess I'm making zucchini bread. Ugh. This is lemon squash. Moving on to cucumbers. Oh, wow. I'm gonna save your seeds. Spicy peppers are next. Hungarian wax. Anaheim. Cayenne. Lemon drop. Fish pepper. Jalapeno of some sort. Yellow jalapeno. Orange jalapenos. And regular jalapenos. I've wanted to do something for a really long time, and I feel like this is the perfect moment. Oh, jalapenos. Let's get some beans. Derby. Goldenrod. Royal Burgundy. Dragon Tongue. Cantari. Red Swan. Velour. And sweet peppers. Candy cane chocolate. Lunchbox. Purple Beauty. King of the North. Big Bertha. Folger jalapenos. Sweet chocolate. I'm starting to think that Peppergate might be real. This is supposed to be a lilac bell. And these are supposed to be orange bells. And these are labeled as jalapenos. Right there. Although I'm pretty convinced that this one might be my fault.
Wow.